The following message is transmitted to request of LAPD. At 2035, 20th Century Studios structure is abandoned by unknown suspects. We are not sure who did cause the shutdown the searchlights at 20th Century Studios structure. If you know the suspects, dial 911 immediately. The following message is transmitted to request of LAPD. The suspect's name is. Wait a second. Can you hear the fanfare? Oh, it goes back to normal. Yes, 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 yes. Looks like it goes back to normal. To LAPD, thank you for all your cooperation. And remember, love the movies. Have a good day.